Chevrolet Silverado C1500 at Unique Specialty and Classics. Powered by the Vortec 5.7 liter. Paired up in automatic with overdrive transmission, of course, with the Silverado package. Nicely equipped on the inside and out. Power brakes, power steering, AC. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures of this truck, so you can see it from every angle, check out the undersides, interior engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. I'm going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Actual mile truck at a little over 122,000. Light gray interior, cloth split bench up front here. Stock dash. Don't really see any aftermarket things added on the interior or underneath the hood. Riding on the stock style C1500 wheels, Cooper Cobra radials. Let's go ahead and take a look up and down the passenger side of this. Around the wheel wells, you can see the paint has a nice reflection to it, decent shine. It is black. You're going to have spots here where you're a little bit thin on the pinstripe. It'll show, light scratches here and there, but it is black, and it is 1997. But considering both those two things, very nice condition. Take a look at this rear bumper. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see there's a bed mat in the back of this. In the still pictures, I got a picture underneath there just to give you an idea what it's like. It is not all beat up. It looks like the mat's been in there pretty much its entire life. And once again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on that link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. And again, you can see around the wheel wells, lower rockers. Nice shape. Now, like I said, it is black. It's been driven. You have a spot like that there where there's a little touch-up that's been done. Things over here on the door. Just some minor things like that that do show up in the black. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at this interior. FYI, AC does blow cold. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt and cruise. Wipers work fine. In the still pictures, you'll be able to see underneath the floor mats, carpeting is in great shape in this one, as well as seats. Not showing much wear at all. Free of rips, tears, holes. Headliner also good shape. Let's go ahead and start it up. As you can see, no warning indicators on, check engine lights, anything like that. Daytime running lamp indicator. AM FM cassette. Radio works fine. And again, AC blows cold. Take a look at the rest of the dash. Slip around to the back, no obnoxious, crazy exhaust. Just sounds like a stock 5.7 liter Vortec would. All right, let's go up to the front. Let's pop the hood. Check out that engine bay quick, and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
All right, engine bay with the hood open. Again, 5.7 Vortec. Power steering, power brakes. Nice smooth running V8. Also nice clean, tidy engine bay. '97 Chevrolet Silverado C1500. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It can take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call, enter, email.